Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sago, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this little Facebook ad hack that can literally boost your sales by 10x. So let's just jump right into it. This is something not a lot of people are going to share with you guys because it's such a hidden thing that literally boosts your sales by a lot. Now, for one of my stores, it actually boosted it by 10x, and I'm not even over exaggerating. This thing is crazy. So, what is this little hidden gem? How do I activate it? And yeah, so let's just jump into it. Open up your Facebook Ads Manager and press these 9 dots. Make sure you're on the correct business manager. Press these 9 dots and press Events Manager. Once you press Events Manager, it's going to bring you to this page. Make sure you select the correct pixel that you're running ads for. This is not the pixel that I'm running ads for, and it will basically bring you to this specific page right here. What you want to do from now is press Settings, scroll down, and you'll see Automatic Advanced Matching. You want to press Show Options. Now, for mine, it's going to be activated on all of these things, but for you, it's probably only going to be like 3 things activated. What you want to go ahead and do is just turn everything on, okay? Just turn everything on here. Basically, what's going to happen is that you're sharing more data with Facebook. And what happens when you share more data with Facebook? Well, your targeting is going to be more specific, and you'll reach a more specific audience for your store. So this will only work on sales from once you turn it on and forward, and not previous sales. Just keep that in mind. But like, Facebook will start using the email address, city, state, zip code, country, first and last name, phone number, date of birth, external ID, gender, and everything now if you turn all of these things on. I don't know how they use this information, but it just basically works. They have a crazy good algorithm, so you want to share as much data with them as you can so they can improve their algorithm and lower the cost per purchase. That's basically how Facebook works. So make sure you do this on all of your pixels, and it will boost your sales like crazy. Trust me with that, because Facebook is getting more data about your customer. Anyway, your retargeting is also going to become a lot better, more specific, more detailed for you. But anyway, I appreciate you all for watching this video. Make sure you like the video, comment down below what you want to go ahead and see next, and make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. Alright, I appreciate you all for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.